If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves tactile, earthy, artist-grade fabrics, this is where inspiration and texture meet. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, and today I'm introducing a Curation bundle. Foundation bundles from my previous videos are your base. Curation bundles are the soul, statement fabrics, and sensory richness that define your voice. Today we'll be revealing our Earthbound linen collection. This bundle is 100% linen in several colors. Okay, our first piece is a dark brown, actually espresso colored, so it's very dark. Espresso, maybe bark color, so very, very dark. This is a tighter weave linen, very, very high quality, generally used in upholstery, but you can see it still has a lot of movement, so it'll still work really well for crafts. Okay, our second piece is a medium brown colored linen, kind of like a chocolate, milk chocolate I would say. Has a little bit of see-through. You can see the texture there, the typical linen weave texture there. Okay, that's going to be our second piece. Our next piece is a khaki tan colored linen. This is actually a softened piece of linen. Okay, so it has a little more flowy type of movement to it. Again, that is also 100% linen. Our next piece is a harvest gold color. Now this one is a little more crisp, as you can see in the movement, but still has a nice amount of flow. Not too much, really no see-through really when you look at it. Maybe very faint, but yeah, that's a nice piece. Our next color is a taupe colored piece of linen, and this has a nice amount of movement to it, so it's really not too stiff. You see it there. And our last, well, no, not quite our last, our next piece. Now this is a kind of a maize yellow, so it's kind of a pale colored. You can see it's the slight yellow hue to it, and still a neutral color, and just a little bit of see-through. And our last piece is a black piece of 100% linen. This one is a little more crisp, as you can see in the movement, but still has a nice amount of flow and a little bit of see-through, but still a nice piece of fabric. Okay, and like I said, all of these pieces are 100% linen, and the name of this bundle is Earthbound Linen. Each Curation bundle feels like a next level up enhancement to our other bundle collections. Try blending with a cut or two from our foundation or play bundles for balance and depth. Links to this week's featured bundle and our other bundle collections can be found in the description below. Be sure to join my VIP list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order. Link in description. I'll showcase a new bundle every Tuesday and provide a sneak peek on upcoming bundles on Thursdays. Thanks for joining this Curation bundle reveal. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media art. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.